Hi!
On our way to the
Tong waterfall today, which is also known as the Sticky Waterfall.
we'll find out why later. We just found a little sign saying there's a big dam.
Yeah.
It's only a couple of 100 metres past the entrance to the waterfall park anyway.
Yeah.
So I thought 2 minutes we'll have a look.
And it is ginormous.
It's quite impressive. I think it's a freshwater dam supplying water to Chiang Mai.
The drive out here so far has taken about an hour.
About an hour.
So to the waterfalls it's about an hour and a half, I think, outside of Chiang Mai. So we're on the trusty bike again.
We are not going along the top of the dam. So one man said that we could. I got a bit further down and some other men and women people said that we couldn't. We're going to waterfalls anyway. About another 15 kilometres and we will go to waterfalls.
We'll go to waterfalls.
And I think about 100 baht in fuel costs there and back. Probably a little bit less. So not bad, worth having a bike.
Yeah, definitely.
As I say, we had this one for 2 days. 200 baht, 48 hours. Probably put 250 baht of fuel in it,
yeah.
And there's plenty left, so well worth it compared to
hiring a driver or a taxi or
a Song Tao.
Yeah.
And you get to see places like this that you normally wouldn't see.
Yeah. We have arrived at the Tong National Park. Seems to be free to get in so far. You have to sign your name on the way in. It doesn't look that busy. There's a few motorbikes, a couple of Song Taos. Somewhere to eat. Looks alright so far.
Yeah, take your name and your motorcycle registration number on your way in, I think for safety reasons. Roads are good condition, not many other vehicles on the road.
And the scenery is beautiful. So many mountains, it's so green. I thought it was lush yesterday when we were out, but today is even better.
So I would strongly encourage you to hire a motorcycle or a scooter, even if you've never ridden one before. Cheap to rent, just need your passport as a deposit. You get used to it in about 10 minutes and well worthwhile to see places you wouldn't see.
Definitely.
And lots cheaper too. So we're at Tong Waterfalls, known as Sticky Waterfalls due to their stickiness. So normal waterfalls by their very nature are slippery, mossy, slimy. These waterfalls, because of a mineral deposit in the water, it makes the rocks kind of like hard sponges, so they're really grippy, hence the name Sticky Waterfall. It's not super duper sticky, so don't think you're Spider-Man or you will fall on your ass. But sticky-ish. Sticky-ish waterfalls.
This sign does not fill me with confidence.
So strangely, this is a 45-degree slope and you can actually walk down it without any trouble. Your feet just stick grip to the rocks. So it's quite cool, kind of nerving because you're not used to it, but yeah, you can walk down a 45-degree slope and it's really sticky.
It's quite unnerving how sticky this waterfall actually refreshing as well. Definitely worth a visit. So the sticky waterfalls were really good fun, and they are free to get in, which is unheard of really. Do be careful though, because they are sticky, you can still slip and fall, as I did.
So really excited today that there are not many people at the waterfall. So we've been here most of the day and we've probably seen 20 people. It's off the beaten track and it's not in many guidebooks, so it's mostly word of mouth from traveller to traveller. There are toilets, showers, changing rooms, again all free. So you're going to get really wet at the waterfall, so bring some swimwear and a towel and your camera of course, probably a GoPro because our camera got really wet. It's really good fun and you can't beat free. Stop for some food. There's a little restaurant on site on the national park. I've ordered a spicy papaya salad and a stir-fried basil and pork on rice. 40 baht each. Really good. Coca-Cola, a pineapple smoothie, 160 baht altogether. Let's see what it tastes like.
So the food, first bit of the food has come. Not sure it's what we ordered. I think we ordered rice topped with stir-fried pork and basil, but we seem to have just got stir-fried rice. It tastes alright. That is good papaya salad. It's fresh, it's spicy, it's fish saucy, it's peanutty, so good.
Had an amazing day at the Tong Sticky Waterfall.
Yep, really good day, definitely worth a visit. We've been here for like 4 or 5 hours, completely free, some good food, really worth it.
We're going to end the video here, heading back into Chiang Mai and going to do our laundry.
And we think tomorrow we're going to head to Chiang Mai tomorrow.
I think what I may do is leave a link to a map to Sticky Waterfalls in the description box below, and if you can't find it that makes it easier.
Yep. So we have been using a GPS app, so well worth downloading one. Yeah,
really good app as well. We'll leave a link to that in the description box too.
Yep.
But if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up.
Click the little bell icon so you get notified when we do some more videos.
Any comments, leave it in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye! So it is laundry evening this evening. We've just come to the laundrette down the road, which is apparently the place to be because it's really popular. Buy your washing detergent and softener, 5 baht each from the little machine, vending machine. Then you choose your size of your load, whether you want a 9, 14 or 18 kilogram washing machine. Chuck your clothes in, put your detergent in, choose what water temperature you want because that then depends on the price. So I think for a 14 kilogram cold wash it's 50 baht, it's just over £1 to deal with that. Washing is in, now time for a well-deserved shag. now we are going to put it in the dryer.